Hi, my name is Jesse Daly, and I'm a partner with Core Consulting. Core Consulting is a comprehensive engineering services firm. Our primary focus is the placement of individuals, mainly technical in manner. We also work with our engineers and designers on staff for rapid prototyping, and we also do a lot of outsourced product development for our customers. I think what we've found is that we've made a commitment to SolidWorks in general and the products that they've got and the life cycle and the product suite that they have. We like to go from art to part. We like to be able to do in concurrent design, concurrent manufacturing, analysis, FEA, other things that we're able to do all in one short package. When we evaluated Composer, we wanted to make sure that it was efficient to use. As SolidWorks is efficient to use, we wanted to make sure that the product that we were going to incorporate and leverage SolidWorks with was going to be efficient as well. We wanted to sell something that had a visual appeal to the customer and to the client. When you're going and selling something that's new to them, that they're not familiar with, you've got to be able to display it and communicate that as effectively as possible and in the short amount of time as possible. Composer allows us to do a lot in a short amount of time. Graphic Systems, the company we've worked with, provided us with training. They provided us with support on installation. They provided us essentially a real point in time. They've acted as an extension of our company in helping us make sure that we've launched our Composer efforts effectively and efficiently. Composer's added a new dimension through SolidWorks where we're able to see, touch, and feel, explode parts, really get the gambit and the feeling of what they're going to turn out to be in the end product before we go to prototyping or even production. Everybody likes visual items, and Composer is just another element where you can visualize, you can help the end customer understand what they're going to get before they jump into a project with you. They want to see examples, they want to see proof concepts. People, again, want more automation, more animation, more innovation into their product life cycle. They want to shorten the term and the time it takes to develop product. And that's where Composer, I think, that we're able to get that advantage of with our clients and customers, is we can go in there and show them from art to part and that product life cycle using Composer to help get them to where they want to go faster. We found that it's very easy to navigate within, to be able to make exploded views, to export, be able to export into technical documentation that we have incorporated with other products. We're able to animate things, we're able to illustrate things, we're able to make things visual and physical without necessarily making a physical model. With SolidWorks and Composer working concurrently, let's say you're working on a widget, okay? And before Composer, the widget would get changed in the SolidWorks, and there would have to be an ECR, an engineering change request, that's going to be put out in order to get that widget changed in the technical document. What Composer's allowed us to do is essentially make that change in the CAD studio, and that change is automatically incorporated into Composer. And what that allows us to do is have engineering and documentation activities happen at the same time, not having the situation that we had before where our documentation team was waiting for the changes to happen and would have to react to an engineering change request. When changes happen now, it's happening immediately, and we're able to address that and work with our tech docs team and the engineering team concurrently. To get our documentation completed through Composer has probably realized the valued savings of 20–30% that we've seen in the product development life cycle from design to documentation. Mainly because we're not wasting time after the product has been designed trying to catch up to the design and update our documentation. So an 18-week product life cycle could probably get truncated to 12 to 14 weeks by utilizing concurrent technical documentation with engineering services and instances where it's applicable.